Right, welcome back again. So, cut that rot out that I showed you in the last video. Where are we? There we are. So, cut all that out. We have got one repair panel ready to go. So that should fit in something like that. Took a bit of hammering, bit of fettling to get that to where we wanted it to be. I'm just going to put on the inside of it a bit of weld-free primer, just so it's not raw metal on the inside. Just give that a little bit of protection. Probably take about a year to dry out here. That's that. So, a little bit of weld through on there, just so that's protected. Now, so to do the E21, I used this. Just very cheap Clark welder. It's done me brilliant so far. Not the best welder in the world. Got my Power Weld purple helmet. Yeah. So, cool, don't I look good with my purple helmet? So, we are gonna try and tack this in. Welder on. Now, I should probably wait for this to dry, really. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause you there and come back in a minute when that's dry. Right, so here we go. Haven't welded in ages, but let's give it a go. Just gonna start by tacking it in place. Oh, burnt a little hole there. So, a couple of little tacks just to hold it where it needs to be, which is somewhere there. Jesus, another little hole. What have I got there? Ah, this welder's on the wrong settings, that's why. Something like that. That's better. Right. That is somewhere that needs to be. Just pull that out at the bottom. Give that a little tack there. This was a lot easier on the E21 when I had it on a spit. I'll tell you that for free. Okay. So, that is welded in, or tacked in I should say. Now, we can start beating it about, getting that nice and flush. Let's have a look. And a little tack there. Oh, didn't really get that. So, that got it. Kind of. That's better. Now. Basically, my idea is to just keep pulling it about to get that nice and flush. And then anything that's proud, I can just go along and beat back in. Have a little tap of that. Trusty knocking stick. There we go, nice and flush. Oh, can barely press the trigger there. Not beautiful, but I don't claim to be a welder by any means, but it's going well. Just need to pull that out a bit there before we go too mad locking in the bottom. Right there on that curve. Couple on the top there. Nice bit of pigeon pate. Kind of looks like I've missed it with half of them, but never mind. Right, so working back under here. Just knock that in. There. To get that in, might need to slice that with the grinder. Let's do a bit of work on this. Still not quite there. Still could be better. Getting close. That's better. That's pretty good. Let's tack it in. Alright. I'll do a bit on that one. Pretty good. Yeah, I have missed it in a few places there. That will go. Just needs a bit of manipulation in there. There we go. Let's go in now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Trying to still keep that line going. Might be easier said than done. There we go. The line's coming back now. There. I'll do a little tack there. Oops. Nice. It's just a case of trying to work that line along. I think we're there or thereabouts. I'm not sure if you can actually see any of this or my headset way. Oh. Missed it. It's actually very hard to see in this position. That's all looking pretty flush and sweet. Right, so with my experience welding, that is tacked in. So I reckon I've got to beat it about a bit in a few places, just get it a bit nicer, seam weld it in, and then jobs are good 'un. So obviously, any comments? If you think my welding's rubbish, which it probably is, let us know. Give us any tips how I can improve. But, you know, really, I want to get this in the garage, get the E21 somewhere safe and dry. Because I'm just backwards and forwards with tools. But this is a good start. Gets the old confidence up, gets me back into the welding. Yeah, we'll get that done. We'll do the other little patch. Got the door marked out, ready to go. Need to have a look at this bit of a step there. So I'm not sure if there's an oversill been put on there. But again, we'll do some investigation, carry on, make some more videos. See you later, guys. Cheers. Well, disappointingly, I ran out of welding wire. So I've had to stop for today, but got that patch tacked in. Actually welded up a couple of holes where that trim came off. Yeah, little bit of welding to do and that one's done. And then move on, go down the sill. I've actually got some repairs to do on that front floor pan. It's been previously repaired, but over the rot, not cut out. Brilliant. So I think we'll work right down the driver's side of it, get that done, move on to the other side, get that done, and then onto the bed and the rear bulkhead. So for the time being, I'm going to order some welding wire and have a beer. See you later, guys.